Applejack, I overheard Newton talking about laws of motion and how it describes movement.
Oh my god, are you serious?
What?
This is crazy. What? You gotta show it, you gotta show it.
I got you. Okay, so ready? Newton's first law. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
What? How does this work?
I'll show you.
But why though? Why don't we just accept this? Doesn't the ball just move on its own?
Oh, come on, Samayan. Look, when I move this ball, the ball, it moves. But if I stopped it with my hand, then it would stop. It just makes sense, come on.
So you're saying the forces are key, or are they? What if Newton just wanted us to think we're in control?
Maybe the universe isn't actually chaotic, but Newton wanted it to be. Just like this example.
I mean, it is perfectly predictable because look, you push the ball, force, and now it's moving, right? It's not going to change randomly. It's going to be predictable.
Or maybe the conspiracy is that you're overthinking it.
Yeah.
So, how do we know how fast something moves?
With Newton's second law, force equals m times a. So what this means is F equals force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. So mass times acceleration equals force. What that means is the harder you push something, the faster it's going to speed up, unless it's super heavy.
But think about it. Why is it so convenient? The bigger the mass, the more force you need. This almost seems too predictable. Maybe Newton's like messing with us.
Exactly. What if you just want us to think we're in control?
Okay, here's a box. If we push it with a force, it accelerates slowly because it's heavy. However, if we empty the box and I push it with the same force, it zips away. Makes sense, right?
Sure, but how do we know this is not all made up? Maybe Newton just needed a cool formula to sell books.
Oh, the Illuminati, the original fake news.
Newton's hiding something bigger.
Alright guys, Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
So if I push the wall pushes me back? Seems fair. But how does the wall know how far to push me back?
Exactly. Seems like some major scam. Like, how does Newton determine these type of things, you know?
Like, who's really in charge? The action of the reaction. The universe isn't just programmed to fight back.
Alright, look. If I fire a rocket, the exhaust pushes down and the rocket goes up.
Wait,
There's no
but-
conspiracy there.
Wait, but like, why does it do that? Why doesn't it, just like make go wild?
Newton's laws keeps in check. Maybe we're just following the universe's rules and just learning them, you know?
So, for every push you make, something pushes back. But what if one day it doesn't?
Crazy.
Now does everybody understand the brilliance of motion?
Newton's first law: an object at rest stays at rest, and an object at motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
Newton's second law: force equals mass times acceleration. That's how we get faster and slower.
Newton's third law: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Amazing! We should get Newton and establish his ideas.
Wie die Illuminati have kidnapped Isaac Newton. Only physics can stop us now, ha ha ha.
With the power of friendship, we can save Newton!
Yay!
I would hold the hand of the one who could lead me places, and kiss the lips of the one who could sing so sweet.